What's up, everyone? Welcome to another edition of Weekly Outlook on HDA Forex Empire. It's been a while. I posted a video on Weekly Outlook, and I'm back again now to share my analysis. But before we dive into the chart, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every educational content I drop. And make sure you share the channel's link to friends and families so that they don't miss what you enjoy in this channel. So guys, starting with GBPUSD on the daily time frame, we can see that GBPUSD was in a downtrend here. You can see that GBPUSD was in a downtrend here, and we saw this upward movement here at this very point here, and we saw that GBPUSD broke this level here. It broke this structure here, this zone here. It broke this particular zone here, and now we can see that price has done something like this. And this looks like a correctional movement here. This looks like a correctional movement. So it's likely that GBPUSD will continue upward this coming week. But this is not enough. So let's move to the lower time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, and see what we have there also. But before we move to the 4-hour time frame, we can spot this key structure here on the daily time frame. We can spot this key structure here on the daily time frame, which is here. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame. So moving to the 4-hour time frame also, we have this structure here also. We have this zone of interest here. We have this zone of interest here also. And we also have another zone of interest here also. So now these are the structures we have on GBPUSD, and also we can spot another one here. We can also spot another one here. This will be a Q to another tick like that. So we can spot another one here. So now, like I said I'll be expecting some upward movement on GBPUSD on the daily time frame, but I said that's not enough. So this is what I want to see if GBPUSD is going upward. If GBPUSD breaks this key zone here, if GBPUSD breaks this particular key zone here, then it's likely that GBPUSD will continue upwards. So I'll wait for a retest to this zone here, then buy up to this point here. My target to be here on GBPUSD. But if GBP fails to do that, GBPUSD fails to do that, then I want to see this structure broken. So for downward movement, I'll be expecting this structure to be broken, then wait for a retest to this point here, then sell. So this is what I have on GBPUSD. So like I said, I'll be expecting buys, but for the buys, I want to see this as a confirmation. I want to see this structure broken. I want to see this structure broken here. I want to see this structure broken here. Then wait for a retest to this very point here. Then buy. So this is my simple analysis on GBPUSD. So our next pair we'll be looking at is GBPAUD. So on GBPAUD, I'm bullish on GBPAUD this coming week. So now on GBPAUD, I want to see a retracement. I want to see a retracement here, then a continuation upward here. That's what I want to see on GBPAUD. But let's try and identify some key levels first. So we can spot this structure here, this zone of interest here. We can spot this zone of interest here, and also spot another zone of interest here on this pair. So these are the structures we can spot on GBPAUD. Now let's try and move to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have here. So this strategy is just top-down analysis. It's a simple top-down analysis strategy that I'm using. So now on GBPAUD now, so we can have this trend line here. We can have this trend line, beautiful trend line here. We can have this trend line here. So we can also have a zone at this very point here on GBPAUD. We can have this beautiful zone here. Beautiful one, solid. So now this is what I want to see. So I said I'm bullish, right? So I'm waiting for a retest to this point here. I want to see a retest to this key zone here. Then look for buying confirming candles, then buy on GBPUSD. So this is my simple analysis on GBPUSD for this coming week. So guys, this GBP card. So on GBP card, now we can see we can see this double top here. We can see this beautiful double top here on GBP card. We have this double top here on GBP card. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have there also. So on this. Now we have this zone here, this zone of interest here. We have this beautiful zone of interest here. We also have another zone of interest here. So nice one. Then we also have another zone of interest here. We also have another zone of interest here. So we have another zone of interest here. And we also have a trend line here also. We also have a trend line here also. We also have a trend line here also. So now this is what I want to see on GBP card. So on GBP card, I'm bearish this coming week on GBP card. So I want to see price retest this zone here. Then look for selling confirming candles, or the market can do anything it likes. So we can also look at this key level here. So we can, in case price breaks this structure here, it's likely that price can come to this point here, then sell at this very point here. So this is my simple analysis on GBP card for this coming week. Pair we'll be looking at is gold. So on gold, in the previous week we saw that gold was very bullish. Gold was going up high, and I even caught some buys on gold. Personally, that I didn't post that signal in the Telegram channel. I didn't post that signal in the Telegram channel. That one was a personal trade. So now on gold, we can see that gold is very bullish. Gold is very bullish. And now we have these key zones here. We have this key zone here. We have this key zone here and another key zone here. So now this is what I want to see on gold. Actually, I don't know where gold will be moving to. I don't know whether gold will be moving up or downward. I don't know whether gold will be moving up or downward. So I want to see gold get to this key level here. I want to see gold arrive to this key level here. Then study the price behavior at this particular key level here. If price gives me a selling confirming candles, then I'll be selling up to this point here. But in case gold breaks this structure here, gold breaks this structure, in case gold breaks the structure upward, I'll be waiting for a retest. Then my target will be up to this point here. So let me identify that key level here. So this is where my target will be for gold on buys. This is where my target will be at on gold. So this is my simple analysis, or this is what I have for you on gold. So like I said, let's wait for price to get to this key level here, then see how price is behaving there. Then we see our next move. So guys, our next pair we'll be looking at is Euro card. And on Euro card, we can spot this key level here, which is a beautiful trend line here. It's a beautiful trend line here. So now let's move to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have there also. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this key level here, this beautiful structure here on the 4-hour time frame. So now this is what I want to see on Eurocard. So this week I'll be bearish on Eurocard. So I want to see price retest. I want to see price retest this zone of interest here. Then look for selling confirming candles, then sell Eurocard. So this is my simple analysis on Eurocard. Now our last pair we'll be looking at is Bitcoin, which is BTC. So now on BTC now, we can see that Bitcoin is bearish now. Bitcoin is bearish now, and we have this structure here. We have this beautiful structure here, and we can also see something here. We have something here also. We also have something here also, which is indicating that Bitcoin will be bearish this coming week. But first off, I want to see a retest to this point here. I want to see a retest, price retesting this zone here. So let's move to the 4-hour time frame first. So like I said, I want to see price retesting this zone here. So we can be catching some scalping buys on Bitcoin. We can be scalping some buys on Bitcoin up to this key level here. Then wait for the selling confirming candle. Then we sell Bitcoin. So this is my simple analysis on Bitcoin. My last pair I'm analyzing for you this coming week. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you found this video valuable, make sure you hit the like button and please share to friends and family so that they don't miss what you are enjoying here. And if you also have any question, you can ask in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. I also have a free Telegram channel where I drop free Forex signals. You can do well to join the Telegram channel, and I drop trading setups also. It's free, no VIP, just free for you and your friends. Thank you.